नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्येभ्यो नमो नमः। ओम श्री गुरु चरण कमलेभ्यो नमो नमः। This evening we humbly beseech all of you to join us in Pratana as we surrender to God in moments of prayers, as we try to re-strengthen our faith and build our relationship even more stronger with the Lord. That divine power, that divine energy, may such feelings and love and that bond always be strong. Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha.
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 Our first salutations is to Lord Ganeshji, who helps us spiritually, mentally, to give us such balance in our lives. O Lord, today we ask of you. We seem to be a bit unbalanced in the world. Help us, O Lord. Help us, O Ganesha. Om Kar Charan Kritam Vak Kayajam Karmajam Vak Shravan Nayanam Jam Vak Manasam Vaparadham Vihitam Avihitam Va Sarvametat Kshamasva. Jai Jai Karunabhi Shri Mahadeva Shambho. And because we are so unbalanced, it causes us to get involved in all negativities in the world, O Lord, and we start to do the wrong things. Help us, O Shiva, and forgive us for any mistakes we have made in our lives. Tonight we pray to Lord Hanumanji. Nishtaya prema pratite vinaya kare sanman tehi ki karaj sakala shubha siddhi kare Hanuman. Humbly recite after me, please. Charan Sharan
Charan Sharan
mein aayi ke
mein aayi ke
dharo tihare dhyan
Daro tihare gyan
sankat te
संकट ते
raksha karo
रक्षा करो
pavan putra Hanuman.
पवन पुत्र हनुमान
चरण शरण में आई। हे प्रभु, today we have come to seek your blessings. We have come to your doors and we know we will always be welcomed. धरो तिहारे ध्यान. We have come to meditate, we have come to pray, we have come to surrender to you, O Lord, because we realize we need help in every aspect of life. Sankat de aur raksha karo. Whatever difficulties we have today, we want to offer all to you. Please help us. Please protect us. Promise us that you will always be there to hug and embrace. Hey Pavan Putra Hanuman. Hey Mahavir Swami, please help us. Everybody together. Tvameva Mata cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhu cha Sakha Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva
त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देवा
Tvameva Sarvam
मम देव देवा
Pahi Pahi Gajanana. Hey Gajanana, O Lord Ganesha, we are asking for your kindness and protection. Can you guarantee us such help? Pahi Pahi Gajanana.
पाहि पाहि गजानना
Parvati Nandana Gajanana.
पार्वती नन्दन गजानना
Pahi Pahi Gajanana.
पाहि पाहि गजानना
Parvati Nandana Gajanana.
पार्वती नन्दन गजानना
Ekadanta Gajanana.
एकदन्त गजानना
Ekadanta Gajanana.
एकदन्त गजानना
Anikadanta Vidyanana.
अनेकदन्त विद्यानना
Anikadanta Vidyanana.
पाहि पाहि गजानना
Pahi Pahi Gajanana.
पार्वती नंदन गजानना
Parvati Nandana Gajanana.
गजानना है गजानना
Gajanana hai Gajanana.
गजानना है गजानना
Gajanana hai Gajanana.
गजानना है गजानना
Gajanana hai Gajanana.
गजानना है गजानना
Pahi Pahi Gajanana.
पाहि पाहि गजानना
Parvati Nandan Gajanana.
पार्वती नंदन गजानना
Parvati Nandan Gajanana.
पार्वती नंदन गजानना
Parvati Nandan Gajanana.
पार्वती
विघ्नेश्वरा और हे गजानना लंबोदरा हे गजानना जय गणनायक गजानना जय सुखदायक गजानना. So many beautiful names that are associated with you, O Lord Ganesha. Today we have just come to seek your help. Help us in every possible way that you can, because we depend on you more now than ever. Devotees all, once again on such a beautiful evening, please permit me, on behalf of all the devotees of the Shanti Bhavan Mandir, to extend a very warm and sincere, cordial welcome to each and every one of you as we are coming into your beautiful homes this evening, live on Facebook. We do hope and pray that you will just sit back, maybe get a cup of tea, and just sit and enjoy these few moments of devotion with us. Along with me this evening is our dear Ashley, Kiranji, of course Crystal, Sandhya, and we have Briannaji behind the cameras. And this evening all we want to do is celebrate life through the medium of singing with all of you. Let's all pray to Lord Hanumanji as we offer our first Hanuman Chalisa, 40 verses dedicated to the divine being of Lord Shri Hanuman. May these 40 verses help each and every one of us spiritually, mentally, physically, in every aspect of life. As Swami Tulsidas Ji surrenders to the blessings of the Guru, and he says, Shri Guru Charana Saroj Raj Nij Man Mukhda Sudhar Varno Raghuvar Vimal Jasu Jodayak Padchat. May the blessings of the Guru remove all impurities of the mind, and may all the fruits of life be gathered through the blessings and inspiration. Buddhihin tanu janike subiro pavana kumar bal buddhi vidya dehu muhi harhu kalesha vikar. May all forms of knowledge be bestowed upon you and I through the blessings of the Lord. Bal buddhi vidya, strength, may strength be given to us, may knowledge be given to us, and may the blessings and inspiration towards our intellect be given to us. And that can only come through the happiness and blessings of God. Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar Jai Kavi
Sati Budo Saudara Ram Dutta Turit Balrama Jai Putra Pavan Sutrama
Mahavir Vikram Bajrangi Kumati Nivar Sumati Ke Sangi
Aksar Karna Viraj Suvesa Kanal Kundal Kunjit Kesa
हाथ वस्त्र और ध्वजा विराजे कांधे मोज जनी वो साजे
शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन
विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबे को आतुर
प्रभु चरित्र सुनि देखो रसिया राम लखन सीता मन बसिया
रूप धरि सियाहि दिखावा, विकट रूप धरि लंक जरावा।
भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे, रामचंद्र के काज सवारे।
लाए संजीवन लखन जियाए, श्री रघुवीर हर्ष उर लाए।
रघुपति कीन्ही बहुत बड़ाई, तुम मम प्रिय भरत सम भाई।
सहस बदन तुम्हरो जस गावे, अस कहि श्रीपति कंठ लगावे।
सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा, नारद सारद सहित ईसा।
यम कुबेर दिखपाल जहाते, कवि कोविद कहि सके कहाते।
तुम उपकार सुग्रीव कीन्हा, राम मिलाए राजपद दीन्हा।
तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना, लंकेश्वर है सब जग जाना।
युग सहस्र योजन परिवारो, तीनों ताहि मधुर फल जानो।
प्रभु मुद्रिका मिली मुख माही, जल लांघि गए अचरज नाही।
दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते, सुग्रह मनोग्रह तुम्हरे जेते।
राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे, ओट न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे।
सब सुख रहे तुम्हारी शरणा, तुम रक्षक काहू को धरना।
आपन तेज समारो आपे, तीनों लोक हाथ कापे।
भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे।
नासै रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा।
संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे, मंत्र वचन ध्यान जो लावे।
सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा।
और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, सोई अमित जीवन पद पावे।
चारों युग प्रताप तुम्हारा, हे परिसिद्धि जगत उजियारा।
साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे।
अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असबर दीन जानकी माता।
राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा।
तुम्हारे भजन राम को गावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे।
अंत काल रघुवरपुर जाए, जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाए।
और देवता कितना धरही, हनुमत से सर्व सुख करही।
संकट कटे मिटे सब पीरा, जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई, कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई। जो सतबार पाठ कर कोई, छूटहि बंदी महासुख होई। जो यह करे हनुमान चालीसा, होई सिद्धि साखी गौरीसा। तुलसीदास सदा हरि तेरा, की जयनाथ हृदय महादेवा। की जयनाथ हृदय महादेवा। की जयनाथ हृदय महादेवा।
पवन तनय संकट हरण, मंगल मूरति रूप। राम लखन सीता सहित, हृदय बसहु सुरभूप। सियापति रामचंद्र की जय। श्री महावीर स्वामी की जय. They say one of the quickest way for man to reach God is through the medium of this, in this age that we live, is to sing the names of God. Kal Yuga Keval Naam Adhara. And he who sings the name of God with love and sincerity is guaranteed a smooth journey in life. You may not understand the languages, you may not understand the medium of the songs, the modes of the songs, the ragas of the songs, but once it comes from the heart, devotees, the Lord will listen and listen attentively. This evening, I want to dedicate this bhajan to two very important people. Firstly, to a very, very good friend of Mel and Ramesh ji. His name is Mohan Suraj. We were told that he suffered a very severe heart attack and he is in critical condition. And on behalf of the entire family, on behalf of all of us present here, I want that family to know that our prayers are with each and every one of you. Just a few moments ago, we got the phone call that our dear Mataji Paro, her mother, just passed away in Guyana, and I know she just came back from her visit with her mom. Auntie Par, to you and the family, we want you to know that our prayers and thoughts are with each and every one of you. Oh man, if for a few moments a day you can dedicate yourself to chanting God's name, happiness and joy, liberation will be yours. एक बार भजन कर ले, मुक्ति का यतन कर ले. एक बार भजन कर ले, मुक्ति का यतन कर ले. छूट जाएंगे जन्म मरण, छूट जाएंगे जन्म मरण, प्रभु का स्मरण कर ले. एक बार
भजन कर ले, मुक्ति का यतन कर ले.
ये मानव का चोला हर बार नहीं मिलता, जो गिर गए डाली से वो फूल नहीं खिलता. मौका है जीवन का, मौका है जीवन का, गुलजार चमन कर ले.
बार भजन कर ले, मुक्ति का यतन कर ले.
छूट जाएंगे जन्म मरण,
छूट जाएंगे जन्म मरण,
प्रभु का स्मरण कर ले.
बार भजन कर ले, मुक्ति का यतन कर ले.
जो ऋषियों ने गाया है, मैं भी हूँ उस धुन में, उस धुन को तू मन मंदिर में अब तू प्रभु का दर्शन कर ले।
एक बार भजन कर ले, मुक्ति का यत्न कर ले।
छूट जाएंगे जन्म मरण,
छूट जाएंगे जन्म मरण,
प्रभु का स्मरण कर ले।
एक बार भजन कर ले, मुक्ति का यत्न कर ले।
एक बार भजन कर ले,
मुक्ति का यत्न कर ले।
छूट जाएंगे जन्म मरण, प्रभु का स्मरण कर ले। Birth after birth, life after life, we seem to be getting so caught up in the web of life that we cannot able to escape. But the Lord is telling us, Prabhu ka smaran kar le. If you can spend much more time focusing on that which is important, that is the name of God, then mukti ka, salvation, liberation will simply be ours. It is my honor now to ask our dear Sandhya, one of the members of our youth group, part of the Naujawan Mandali of our Mandir, and she will make her contribution. And right after that, we'll listen to the one and only Behinji Crystal. She will make her contribution as well.
समय कईक तारा जब बोले, जल तल नभ में मधुर सबोले। ओ नमः शिवाय, ओ नमः शिवाय, ओ नमः शिवाय, ओ नमः शिवाय। जग के दुख संताप रे मनवा, जब तुझको तर पाए। मोह माया के झूठे बंधन, जब तुझको भरमाए। जपना मुख से होली होली, ओ नमः शिवाय, कृष्ण हरे श्याम हरे कृष्ण हरे श्याम हरे राधा गोविंद हरे मेरा गोपाल हरे कृष्ण हरे श्याम हरे कृष्ण हरे श्याम हरे राधा गोविंद हरे मेरा गोपाल हरे वृंदावन पालना माधव नीरज लोचन वृंदावन पालना माधव नीरज लोचन Krishna, Mukunda Madhava Krishna, Krishna Guru Krishna, Mukunda Madhava Krishna, Krishna Guru Krishna, Mukunda Madhava Krishna, Krishna Guru Krishna, Mukunda Madhava Krishna.
Imagine the feeling you get when these beautiful bhajans are being sung. You know, sometimes you see your entire body starts to tremble and you start to get this divine feeling. It's like the intervention of God. What a beautiful feeling. If I imagine we can do that more often, listen to more bhajans, chant the names of God even more. What miracles we can create in the world. On a little happy note, this evening, we want to celebrate two special birthdays. Firstly, we want to go to the beautiful island of St. Lucia. And there we will find our dear Pitaji, Deo Ramphal, is celebrating his birthday. And on behalf of all the families and friends of St. Lucia in New York here, we want to wish you Mubarak Ho. We go from St. Lucia to Minnesota, where we will find our dear Bauji, Behinji Kamla. This is the wife, Dharmapatni of our dear Pandit Deepak Ji. She's celebrating her birthday, and my dear, we all want you to know that we miss you dearly here in New York, and we want to wish you a happy birthday. To all of our devotees of New York, Minnesota, Florida, Guyana, Trinidad, St. Lucia, Canada, or wherever you're logging in from tonight, may the blessings of Hanuman be with all of us. What is dear God wouldn't do for you and I? Degi Haro Hanuman Mahaprabhu Jo Kach Sankat Hoi Hamaro Kaun so संकट मोर गरीब को जो तुमसे नहीं जात है तारो kindly sing with me. Jai 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 Hanuman Gosai Kripa Karo Maharaj.
Jai 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 Hanuman Gosai Kripa
Jai 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 Hanuman Gosai Kripa Karo Maharaj.
Jai 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 Hanuman Gosai Kripa Karo Maharaj.
तन में तुम्हारी शक्ति विराजे मन भक्ति से वीरा
तन में तुम्हारी शक्ति विराजे मन भक्ति से वीरा
जो जन तुम्हारे शरण में आए
जो जन तुम्हारे शरण में आए
दुख दरिद्र हरनीना हनुमत
दुख
जय जय हनुमान गोसाई
कृपा करो महाराज।
जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई
कृपा करो महाराज।
राम लखन गए तेरी तुम पर सदा रहे हर्षाए।
राम लखन तेरी तुम पर सदा रहे हर्षाए।
हृदय चीर कर राम सिया का
राम सिया का
दर्शन दिया कराए हनुमत।
दर्शन दिया कराए।
दो कर जोर अरज हनुमंता कहियो प्रभु से आज हनुमत। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो महाराज। जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई। Whatever you desire, whatever you need, God will always be there with open arms to show you the way, to show you the path, to show you His grace and His mercy. Prem se bolo Shri Mahavir Swami ki Jai. I would like to ask Sandy again. I didn't even realize tonight I have two of my cheerleaders here, Sandy and Brianna. So we'll ask Sandy to do the next bhajan, then we'll ask Bri to come off from behind the camera onto the camera and make a contribution as well. And then we'll ask Crystal to do the third rendition.
मेरे मन वीरा के तारे हर पल शिव का नाम पुकारे। मैंने शिव से लगाए लगन जप बोले का नाम प्रेम से सुबह शाम। शिव की भक्ति में होके मगन। मेरे मन वीरा के तारे हर पल शिव का नाम पुकारे। मैंने शिव से लगाए लगन। मैंने शिव से लगाए लगन। शिव शिव मेरा गला, शिव मेरा गला, शिव मेरा गला, शिव मेरा मेरे मन वीरा की कारी हर पल शिव का नाम पुकारे मैंने शिव से लगाए लगन मैंने शिव से लगाए लगन मेरे मन वीरा की कारी हर पल शिव का नाम पुकारे मैंने शिव से लगाए लगन लगन मैंने शिव से लगाए लगन लगन मैंने शिव से लगाए लगन लगन मैंने शिव से लगाए लगन बोलो सदा जयकार पवन सुत महाबली की बोलो सदा जयकार पवन सुत महाबली की बोलो सदा जयकार पवन सुत महाबली की मारुति नंदन उपकारी निश्चर पूजन घर पे आके निश्चर पूजन घर पे आके आओ शरण सुभा महाबली की बोलो सदा जयकार पवन सुत महाबली की संकट मोचन नाम जो ध्यावे संकट मोचन नाम जो ध्यावे संकट उसके पास नावे संकट उसके पास नावे महिमा करे शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय 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 हरि ओम शिवाय हरि ओम ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय
ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय
ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय
ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय
ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय
ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय
ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय
ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय
ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय
ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय
ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय
ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय
ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय
ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय
ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय
ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय
ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय
ओम शिवाय हरि ओम शिवाय
ओम शिवाय हरि
What a beautiful way to set that beautiful mood, feeling, when we can sit together like this more and more in our communities. And I firmly believe, it is my opinion, that I think we can definitely create changes in the communities in which we live, in our own lives, in our homes, around our surroundings, in our communities, and definitely, who knows, in the countries, the world at large, we can create these beautiful changes. As promised, this evening, I'm going to read the story of the king who had 4 wives. And I'm going to ask everyone here to pay attention, because who knows, there might just be some questions after. The 4th wife. Now this king, he had 4 wives. The 4th wife was the youngest of all. The king loved her the most, always decorating her with all forms of nice jewels and all nice things that you can possibly think of, because he loved her the most. He also spent most of his time with her. The 3rd wife, however, was the most beautiful of all, and the one that the king took everywhere that he went to show her off to his peers. The 2nd wife, most intelligent one of all, before making any decisions, he would sit and consult with her first before making such decisions in the kingdom. She gave sound advice and she influenced him accurately, and he trusted her the most. The 1st wife was the eldest of all. She was the oldest. Her face was very wrinkly, and the king did not want to associate with her too much, because he had 3 other younger wives. So he neglected her, and although she was faithful and most loyal, he didn't want to be too close to her. A day came when the king became very ill, and he was about to die. He became so scared, and he said to himself, I don't know where it is that I'm going. I don't know what this afterlife will bring me. and I don't know what I will be faced with. I'm scared. He decides now to call his wives to see who is going to accompany him. He decides to call the fourth wife and said, "My dear, I gave you everything, all the most beautiful things in the world that you can ask for. And I'm asking you to do me one favor. I'm very scared to where I'm going. Would you go with me?" She looked at him, she laughed, and she walked out of the room. He called the third wife and said, "My dear, I have taken you everywhere and I have showed you the world. May you please accompany me now to the life after. I am very scared and I need you now more than ever." She looked at him and laughed as she walked out of the room. He calls the second wife and said, "My dearest, you have always given me the best of advice, and I never made any decision before consulting you. May you please accompany me now to the afterlife, because I'm very scared and I need your help." She looked at him, she smiled, and she said, "No." Very strangely, the first wife came herself without being called, standing over her husband, and said to him, "My love, I know you are scared, but don't be. I will accompany you and hold your hands every step of the way." He looked at her and said, "For all the time I have neglected you, today when I needed you the most, you are the one who is here." The moral of the story. Are you ready for this, Crystal? We all have these four wives within us. Devotees, I want you to listen to the moral of this story. The fourth wife is our body. We spend our entire life decorating it with all jewels and all beautiful things of life. But when death approaches, none of such beautiful decorations will accompany us to the life after. The third wife represents our wealth. We spend our entire life living it up and flaunting it to the entire world in the communities in which we live, just to show the world how wealthy we are. But in the end, even all the wealth will not accompany us to the afterlife. The second wife represents our relatives and our friends. We spend our life chasing after them for help, advice, and support. But when that death knocks at our door, only you would be able to answer such a call. And no friend or relative will ever accompany us to the afterlife. The first wife is our soul. We spend our entire life neglecting it and paying no mind to its worth. But in the end, it's the only thing that matters most. Don't only focus on decorating the body. Don't cling on to only wealth. And don't rush for help from others. Sometimes we need to look within our own soul to find the answers. Through it all, it is the only thing that will give us the feeling of liberation, freedom, peace, and happiness. This is the story I promised to share with all of our devotees on this most beautiful night. Let's reflect on this story and let's ask ourselves, or tell ourselves rather, how true and accurate this story really is. Devotees all once again tonight, as we conclude, I want to ask all of you to join us as we will sing the last Hanuman Chalisa. and then we'll head straight into our closing prayers. But before I do so, I want to acknowledge our donors, our devotees who have been donating even through this pandemic. They realized that the mandir needed help in every possible way. And I want to humbly tonight say thank you to all of our donors. Our monthly donors who donates every month. Mr. Bishwanath Jadubans, Nazir Sahdev, Sunil Singh, Krishan Rajkumar, Sitahal Jadubans, Ramjit Ramsadeen, Kuldip Jadubans, Ritawanti Prasad, Ritaji, Ramjit Ramsadeen, Vrijanandan Ramlal, Krishan Rajkumar, Marsha Moon, Mr. and Mrs. David Vibert, Shirley Mizir, and Sinet Jagmohan. If I left out any names, I ask for your forgiveness. These are our monthly donors. Every month they are donating. To our recent donors, I want to say thank you. Mr. and Mrs. Siu Prasad Chirkut, Shamu Mangal, Mr. and Mrs. Mantu Jamna Prasad, our dear Mataji Ivy Ramnarayan from Canada, Susan Prasad, Kemraj Puran Sukhanandan, Omalawati Sitaram, I think this is Mataji Deepa, Deoraj and Gayatri Dhanraj, Hema Ramjit, Auntie Kamini, Shanta Shivasankar, Mr. and Mrs. Jai Balkaran, Mr. and Mrs. Edward Sitaram from South Florida, Drupati Takurdial, Naipal Ajoda from Canada, our dear Kia Kamraj, the daughter of Umesh and Malini, Regina Mizir, Kamini Singh, Basil Lakshman, Deohati Ramnarayan, Chindandai Nath, Shanta Albert, Purli Mohammed, and Shriman Mr. Mukesh Jadubans. I want to say thank you to all these donors. Whatever you have given to the Shanti Bhavan Mandir, from my soul, from my heart and soul, I want to say thank you. This Hanuman Chalisa goes out to all of you, and especially our Ritawanti ji. Imagine it's been 1 month now since she left us. And Reeds, wherever you are, my dear, may that beautiful soul find peace. Shri Guru Charana Saroj Raj Nij Man Mukur Sudhar Varno Raghuvar Vimala Jaso Jodayak Phalcha Buddhihin Tanu Janiki Sumiro Pavana Kumar Bal Buddhi Vidya Deho Mohi Har Ho Kalesha Vikar. Jai Hanuman Jnana Gun Sagar Jai Kapish Tihu Lok Ujagar.
Ram Dutta Tulita Padhama Anjani Bhoga Pavan Sutrama
Mahavir Vikram Bajrangi Kanchan Varana Viraj Suvesa Bhadra aur राजा विराजे
कान्हे मोज जने हो सारे
शंकर सुवन केसरी नंदन
तेज प्रताप महाजगवंदन
विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर
राम काज करिबे को आतुर
प्रभु चरित्र सुनिबे और सिया
राम लखन सिया मन बसिया
सूक्ष्म रूप धरि सियाहि दिखावा
एक करो परि लंक जलावा
भीम रूप धरि असुर संहारे
रामचंद्र के काज सवारे
लाए संजीवन लखन जियाए
श्री रघुवीर हर्ष उर लाए
रघुपति की बहुत बड़ाई
तो मम प्रिया वरदहि संपाहि
सहस बदन तुम्हरो जस गावे
अस कहि श्रीपति कंस लगावे
सनकादिक ब्रह्मादि मुनीसा
नारद सारद सहित अहिसा
यम कुबीर दिक्पाल जहाँ पे
कवि कोविद कहि सकल कहाते
तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीन्हा
राम मिलाए राजपद दीवा
तुम्हरो मंत्र विभीषण माना
लंकेश्वर है सब जग जाना
युग सहस्र जो जन पर भानु
लीलो ताहि मधुर फल जानो
प्रभु मुद्रिका मिलि मुख माही
चलनि लांघि गए अचल जनाहि
दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते
सुग्र मनोग्रह तुम्हरे कीते
राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे
होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे
सब सुख है तुम्हारी शरणा
तुम रक्षक काहू को धरना
आपन तेज संहारो आपे
तीनों लोक हाथ के कापे
भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे
महावीर जब नाम सुनावे
नासै रोग हरै सब पीरा
जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा
संकट से हनुमान छुड़ावे
मन ब्रह्म शरण ध्यान जो लावे
सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा
देवकी काज सकल तुम साजा
और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे
सोई अमित जीवन फल पावे
चारों युग पड़ता तुम्हारा संत के तुम रखवाले,
असुर निकंदन राम दुलारे,
अष्ट सिद्धि नव निधि के दाता,
असवर दीन जानकी माता,
राम रसायन तुम्हारे पासा,
सराग हो रघुपति की दासा,
तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे,
जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसरावे,
अंत काल रघुवर पुर जाई,
जहाँ जन्म हरि भक्त कहाई,
और देवता चित न धरगी,
हनुमत से सर्व सुख करगी,
संकट कटे मिटे सबकी राह,
जो सुमिरे हनुमत बलबीरा,
जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई,
कृपा करो गुरुदेव की नाई,
जो शब्द बार पाप कर कोई,
छूट ही बंदी माम सुख होई,
जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा,
ओहि श्री साखी गौरीसा,
तुलसीदास सदा हरिचेरा,
जयनाथ हृदय महादेवा,
जयनाथ हृदय महादेवा,
जयनाथ हृदय महादेवा,
पवन तनय
संकट हरन मंगल मूर्ति रूप, राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसहु सुरभूप।
बोलो प्रेम जोलो सियापति रामचंद्र की जय. Devotees, all once again I want to say thank you to our dear Ashley, Kiran, our dear Crystal, our dear Sandhya and Brianna for joining me this evening. I want to say thank you for all of you for logging on and joining us this evening. And I want to say thank you once again to all of our donors, our monthly, our regular donors, everyone who have donated recently also. I want to say thank you to all of you. I realize I missed out Surajpal Sahadil's name. I apologize for that. One of our monthly donors. I want to say thank you to all of you. As we conclude this evening once again with our concluding prayers, devotees, I want to offer prayers to our dear Behinji Savi from Canada. Her chacha passed away recently in Queens, and of course because of COVID. So this seems to be taking away so many of our devotees, and we can only hope and pray that this virus can speedily leave us. Those who have passed on, may their souls find peace, and those who are suffering from this, may God give you the strength you need to overcome this trial in your life. सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भूयात्, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। नन्दन्तु सर्वभूतानि, निरातङ्कानि सन्तु च, प्रीतिरस्तु परस्परम्, सिद्धिरस्तु च कर्मणम्, स्वस्ति अस्तु राजनो नित्यपा प्रजाभ्यस्ततेवस्तु स्वस्ति अस्तु दीप्ति नित्यं शान्तिरस्तु चतुष्पदे शान्तिरस्तु नो देवस्य भूर्भुवः स्वः शिवं तथा सर्वथा शान्तिरस्तु नो सौम्य भवन्तु भूतानि त्वं देवो जगता शाश्वता पाता देव त्वमेव हि प्रजापाल्य देवेश शान्तिं कुरु जगत्पते यो मे अध्यास्निहिते तस्य शिवमस्तु सदा भुवि यः श्रमान् द्वेष्टि लोके अस्मिन् सोऽपि भद्राणि पश्यन्तु हरि ओम शान्ति 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 हरि ओम.
Let there be good to all. Let all be free from sickness. Let all see that which is good, and let none suffer. Let all be happy and fearless. Let there be sympathy for each other and success for all works and endeavors. Let there be prosperity to the king who protects the people every day and also to the people. Let the bipeds and the quadrupeds be prosperous. Let there be peace in the heavens and in the three worlds. Let us and all other beings have peace everywhere. Creator and sustainer as thou art to the world, thou encourage godliness and establish peace amongst the people. Who is my friend today, let him be in peace. And who is not my friend, let him also be in peace. Om peace, peace, peace.
त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव
त्वमेव बन्धु च सखा त्वमेव
त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव
त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देवा
ॐ गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु
गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा
गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म
तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः
तस्मै श्री
गुरुवे नमः.
This evening, as we come to an end, devotees, we thank you. May you enjoy the rest of your evening. We humbly hope that you will join us again on Thursday evening at 7:30 p.m. where dear Pandit Deepak Ji will be going live on Facebook for our Satnarayan Vrat Puja. Please join him along with all of us to Shanti Bhavan Mandir webpage. And on Sunday morning at 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Pandit Deepak Ji will be on again for our Sunday morning congregational Havan. If we made any mistakes tonight, we humbly ask for your forgiveness. May you have a pleasant evening and a pleasant week ahead. God bless all of us. Ram Nam Satya Hai. Hari Om Shanti 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 Hari Om. बोलिए प्रेम से बोलो श्री सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय.